How to generate idea into video with AI. Open Chrome. Search in video.io. Click on Try in Video AI. Here you can write your video idea. A man is talking about how to make idea into AI video with black background wearing a leather jacket. Click on Generate Video. Wait a minute. Choose your platform. Choose your audience. Choose a look and feel. Click on Continue. Wait a minute. Boom, check the result.
Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can help you create stunning videos? Well, today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of AI video creation. Buckle up for an enlightening journey. First things first, let's demystify what AI video creation is. Essentially, it's the process of using artificial intelligence algorithms to generate or enhance video content. This technology has been making waves in the tech world as it promises to revolutionize how we produce and consume videos. Now let's break it down. How does one go about creating a video using AI? Step 1. Decide on the type of video. Before anything else, it's crucial to determine what kind of video you want to create. Whether it's a product demo, a tutorial, or a promotional teaser, having a clear vision of what you want to achieve will guide the entire process. Step 2. Gather the necessary data. AI thrives on data. Depending on the type of video, this could be a set of images, a recording of your voice, or even a pre-existing video. This data will train the AI to create the video you envision. Step 3. Choose your AI platform. There are several AI video creation platforms available today. Some are tailored for beginners with user-friendly interfaces, while others cater to tech-savvy users offering more advanced features. Step 4. Input your data into the AI platform. The AI system will then analyze the data, learn from it, and use it to create your video. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. Review and refine. Once the AI has created a preliminary version of your video, review it. Make any necessary tweaks or adjustments. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it needs your guidance to work effectively. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a video using AI. In summary, AI video creation involves deciding on the type of video, gathering the necessary data, choosing an AI platform, inputting your data, and refining the output. It's an exciting technology that's set to redefine the video content landscape, offering unprecedented speed, efficiency, and customization. Keep in mind, while AI video creation might seem intimidating at first, it's a skill that can be mastered with practice, so don't be afraid to dive in and experiment. Who knows? Your next video could be a masterpiece crafted with the help of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, stay innovative, and remember, the future of video creation is in your hands. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology.